In this video, let us see how to export the model from Revit to Midas GenNX. So first, initially we need to install the Revit linker. Once we install the Revit plugin, in the add-ins, external tools, we can find the option to send the model to Midas Gen. So here we can set the unit systems and you can just click on send. So you can just click on S, and here we'll be having the section mapping to define the different parameters. So if it is okay, then it will be shown here. Otherwise it will show as fail, where we can do the section mapping manually, and then we can just hit on continue. Then it will convert the center model into the text editor file, which we can import into the Midas GenNX. So here it will get the pop-up sending Revit model to Gen has been done. You can just click on OK. So wherever we have saved this Revit file at the same location, it will create a text editor file with the .mgt format. We can open GenNX and then click on the new project. And from the file icon, we can import the files in the mgt format or mgtx format. So we can select this option here, and we can just go to the drop down, and here we can select the mgt file, and we can check the location of that particular file where we have saved it. So here we can find the mgt file, RST advanced sample project, and we can just open that. So entire model will be imported into the GenNX from the Revit. So whatever the models that are present related to the analytical model will be imported here, and we can see all the different types of elements that are imported, and the material properties and the section properties, along with the boundary conditions, beam and releases, and the static load cases that are applied in the Revit model. And if there are any modifications, we can make the modifications, and then we can update the same model into the Revit. So if there are any modifications, we can update the model from the GenNX.